Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Join me as I show you the house construction update of my USA and Bataan-based client here in Madonna Residences. So for the first house, Julieta unit po ito. So tiles and ceiling installation, almost done na po tayo dito sa first floor. And then, electrical wirings ready na din. So, hindi lang tayo makaakyat sa second floor kasi ayan pa lang ang stairs natin. And then, bathroom tiles installed na po. And then dito sa guest room or maid's room, wall skim coating na tayo. And then metal faring and metal fences installed na po dito sa service area. So ayan po ang ating Julieta model house. Next house naman natin, Abigail unit po ito. So roof eaves installed na. Yan yung parang ceiling natin sa labas ng bahay. So, and then garage ceiling, yan po yung parang brown sa taas. So, nag-improve po tayo, upgraded po ang ating garage ceiling. So, done na rin po siya. And then dito sa loob, metal faring, pipes, and electrical lines currently being installed. So again, this is a Abigail unit. And inuulit ko po, kokonti na lang ang ating mga units in Madonna Residences located in Sinalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. So if interested po, tara mag-tripping na tayo bago pa po magkaubusan. So mag-message lang po kayo so we can assist you better. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube for updates and promos. Have a nice city day, homeowner!